cutter is great for fine designs. After installing the tool on the machine, we set the Z-axis, height, so that the cutter starts at the correct distance from the wood surface. Now, by simulating in the software, in today's video, we'll see how a CNC machine creates amazing designs on wooden boards. From the very beginning, setup, design, and cutting, everything is done in real time. This machine is computer controlled, meaning it will cut exactly what we design onto the board. First, we place the board on the machine bed. Notice that the wood is about ½ an inch thick, and it is being held tightly in place by the machine's clamps. If the clamps are not tight, the board can move while the machine is working, which will ruin the design. Now we load the design file on the computer. The software screen shows a flower pattern, a large round blossom in the middle, with delicate leaves around it. We imported this design into CNC router software, such as ArtCam or VCarve Pro. Now we are setting the tool path, that is, how deep a place will be cut, what tool will be used, and what speed will be used. For cutting, we will use a 6mm ball nose end mill cutter.